In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp time tracking. If you want to keep an accurate record of how long you spend on tasks, ClickUp's time tracking feature is a simple and useful tool. It helps you monitor your work as you go, and it also gives you a place to review log time later. I'll walk you through the full process, from turning the feature on to tracking time and checking your entries. To get started, open your workspace menu and select App Center. This is where you can manage features and settings that extend how your workspace functions. Once you're in the App Center, look to the left sidebar and click All ClickApps. This section shows the available ClickApps you can enable for your workspace. Next, search for time tracking. When you find it, turn it on. During this step, you'll also be able to choose which spaces should have access to the feature. That's helpful if you only want time tracking available in certain areas of your workspace instead of everywhere. After that's enabled, you're ready to begin tracking time on tasks. Now open the task you want to work on. Inside the task, click Track Time and then click Start. This begins the timer and records your working time in real time. This option is especially useful when you're actively working and want ClickUp to capture the exact duration for you. A good habit here is to start the timer as soon as you begin the task so your records stay accurate. When you finish working, click the running timer and select Stop. This ends the session and saves that track time to the task. Make sure you stop the timer once you're done, so it doesn't continue running in the background and log extra time by mistake. If you forgot to start the timer, or if you need to log time after completing work, you can add it manually instead. Open the same track time option. Enter the amount of time worked and the date, and then click Save. This gives you flexibility and helps you keep your time records complete, even if you weren't tracking live. Finally, to review everything you've logged, open Timesheets and select My Timesheet. This is where you can look over your time entries and confirm that your tracked and manually added time appears correctly. It's a useful final step for staying organized and making sure your reporting is accurate. And that's how to use ClickUp time tracking. Thanks for watching.